What you're about to see violates 3 non-disclosure agreements. In this case, a warehouse in Shenzhen where the future of inflation isn't just faster, it's intelligent. This device doesn't just pump air. It calculates pressure loss while driving. It warns you of nail penetrations before you see them. And this one fills a completely flat semi-truck tire faster than you can check your phone. When the engineers saw my test results, they offered me a consulting contract on one condition: bury this footage until 2026. I chose you instead. Because every driver deserves this edge. Number 1. Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air. Built with the highest quality materials, Airmoto is a portable tire inflator for car, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Quickly inflate your vehicle's tires in just minutes with precision accuracy up to 120 psi. Small and compact car air pump that fits in your glove box or trunk. Auto Shut OFF. Use their plus and dash control buttons on the Airmoto to easily select your desired pressure. Simply connect the air hose to your car and press the middle start button on the electric air pump. Once the correct pressure has been reached, the Airmoto will automatically shut off. The cordless car tire pump makes it easy to reach all tires without a hassle. Main highlights: easily change between PSI, kpar, bar, and kilogram, cm pressure units with a push of a button, easy to read large LCD, digital tire pressure gauge, built-in LED flashlight for low light conditions, deflate button for decreasing pressure, air hose stores inside, powerful 2000 mAh rechargeable battery with fast recharging, rated to 120 psi. Number 2. NOCO Air 20. The Air 20 is a 20-amp portable air compressor and tire inflator with a 280-watt motor rated at a maximum pressure of 100 psi, 6.8 bar, 689 kilopascals, and maximum airflow of 47 slpm, standard liter per minute, or 1.66 cfm, cubic feet per minute. It features ultra-fast inflation times, seamlessly inflating tires from 0 to 40 psi in an astonishingly swift 2.5 minutes, based on a 205-65 or 1695H tire, and fully inflating 5 tires in a single duty cycle. An integrated pressure sensor and innovative dwell technology pause and resume inflation as the pump reaches its set pressure while automatically shutting off to avoid overinflating. A digital display allows accurate pressure settings from 15 to 100 psi and the selection of pressure measurements between psi, kpar, and bar. It is powered by a direct connection to a 12-volt battery. Use the manual mode for applications below 15 psi, like basketballs, footballs, soccer balls, bikes, and inflatable toys. It's suitable for vehicles with maximum tire sizes of 35 inches or less. For reference, here are some estimated PSI tire ranges for commonly found vehicles, like cars, 30 to 40 PSI, SUVs. Number 3. WOLFBOX 3000A Jump Starter. The device is equipped with a robust built-in 16,000 mAh battery that can deliver an impressive peak current of 3000 A. This power output is capable of revitalizing a completely dead 12V car battery, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including those with gas engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 6 liters. Beyond its jump-starting capabilities, this multifunctional device also features an integrated tire inflator, allowing users to easily inflate tires on pickup trucks and smaller vehicles, effectively combining several essential functions into one compact unit. In terms of charging capabilities, the device boasts 65W fast charging through its USB-C port, which ensures rapid recharging. It also includes multiple USB-A ports with power outputs of 12W and 18W, as well as an upgraded DC continuous output rated at 160W. This means that the device can be fully recharged in as little as 1.5 hours, significantly reducing downtime. Number 4. WOLFBOX 4000A Jump Starter. Newly upgraded all-in-one jump starter and air compressor, this advanced device boasts a robust built-in 24,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, delivering a peak current of 4000 A. With this power, it can effectively jumpstart a completely dead 12V car battery, accommodating both gasoline engines, up to 10L, and diesel engines, up to 10L. 65W fast charging. equipped with a versatile USB-C charging port that supports 65W output, as well as dual USB-A ports, 12W and 18W. This device allows for swift charging of various electronic devices. Number 5. AstroAI TC for Portable Air Compressor. This truck air compressor features a 470W high-efficiency motor that delivers powerful inflation, easily inflating cars, off-road vehicles, RVs, trucks and other large-size tires. It also can inflate bicycles, balls, and inflatable toys. It's the ultimate tool that meets multiple inflation needs for you and the family, saving money and effort. This 18V cordless tire inflator displays for pressure units to choose from: kpar, psi, bar, and kilogram, cm squared. Efficient time-saving inflation. The powerful motor delivers inflation speeds up to 300% faster than conventional lithium 12V air compressor tire inflator, taking just 30 seconds to inflate a 275/60R20 tire from 30 psi to 40 psi. This rapid performance means you can complete inflation tasks in a fraction of the time, getting back on the road without long waits. Easy to use and long-lasting battery. Equipped with a 4Ah battery, this off-road air compressor handles up to 9 car tires from 30 psi to 40 psi on a full charge. 45W quick charge and discharge with the included charger, eliminating reliance on fixed sockets. Every revolutionary air compressor you witness today, from the silent solar unit to the AI-powered Pressure Guardian, every pre-order link, exclusive launch discount, and special accessory bundle is waiting for you right now in the video description below. If this preview just saved you hours of roadside frustration, do these 3 things: crush that like button. It tells the algorithm this is life-saving content. Share this with your entire car group, someone's tire is going flat right now. And subscribe with the bell, because next week I'm revealing the 2026 tire repair gel that makes spare tires obsolete, and you'll want to be the first to know. Stay inflated, friends.